हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज महिमा और आप मुझे देख रहे हैं हमारे चैनल देस इन विदेश में। मैं आज यहाँ पे ज़ांदाम में हूँ, जो एम्स्टरडम के पास एक छोटा सा प्यारा सा शहर है। मैं आज इन फॉरेनर्स से पूछने वाली हूँ कि उन्होंने इंडियन फूड कौन कौन सा ट्राई किया है, क्योंकि डच फूड जो है, जो नेदरलैंड्स में जो लोकल्स जो फूड खाते हैं, और बहुत सारे ऐसे कंट्रीज़ हैं जहाँ पे ज़्यादा स्पाइसेस और ज़्यादा फ्लेवर्स खाने में नहीं यूज़ किया जाता। उन लोग बहुत ही माइल्ड फूड खाते हैं। तो आज हम इनसे पूछेंगे इन्होंने कौन कौन सा इंडियन फूड खाया है और इन्हें इंडियन फूड पसंद है कि नहीं। आइए पता करते हैं। व्हाट इज़ योर नेम?
Nancy.
And yours?
Ravan.
And from which country you are?
Iraq. Sudan.
So we have these ladies from Iraq and Sudan. Have you tried eating Indian food?
Yes, one time, but I don't remember it anymore. It was a long time ago.
Did you like it?
I did like it that time, yes. Yeah.
So do you remember something that it was very spicy or?
It was spicy. Yeah.
And have you eaten Indian food?
No, never.
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 You should try Indian food. Come on.
Yeah.
What is your name?
Markus,
Melissa.
And from which country you are?
Germany.
Me too.
And have you ever eaten Indian food?
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Which is your favorite Indian food?
Mango chicken taki. Wie heißt das? With
Chicken.
mango. With
Mango, chicken masala.
Okay, chicken masala.
Ah.
Okay, yeah.
And then the fruit, a mango.
Yeah, mango chutney.
Yes, yes. Oh, I love it.
Yes, it's a little hot and little spicy.
It's a bit sweet and
Little hot.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
yes. Have you also tried at home to cook it, to prepare it?
No.
yeah.
Yeah, you
I
have?
tried.
Yeah.
What's I
Curry,
don't know. It's a curry. Curry.
So it was vegetarian or just
Vegetable.
vegetarian?
Yes,
curry?
yes.
Wow, nice. Thank you. Well, we have a very pretty lady with us. What is your name?
Lieve.
Okay, and from which country you are?
The Netherlands.
So you are a Dutch.
Yes, I'm Dutch.
Have you ever eaten Indian food?
Yes, of course. I love it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you try?
I don't know the specific name, but I love just all the spices, and I love also curry and all that kind of stuff. My grandma is from Java, so I also eat a lot of spices. So I just really enjoy the spiciness and also the combination of a lot of flavors, because we don't really have that in the Netherlands.
Do you remember any Indian name of Indian food?
No, not really. I'm not really good with names overall, so I'm sorry.
Thank you. It's good to know that you like Indian food.
Yes, I really like it. Thank you very much.
Have a nice day. What is your name?
Mehmet.
And from which country you are?
I born in Holland, but my parents come from Turkey.
So have you ever tasted or eaten Indian food?
Yes, of course. Is how can I say that? I was tried one time a naan bread,
Okay.
but I loved it. And another one was really spicy. I had a I had not good moment. I was running to the toilet.
It was very hot.
Very hot, yes.
What was that? Do you remember?
It was I was thinking mixed grill or chicken masala, but I don't know really with which food. But I was in that time working in an Indian restaurant. But maybe another food from India is maybe good for me, but not that that was too much spicy.
Yeah, I understand. So your experience was not that good with the Indian food. Okay, you should go to an Indian restaurant and seriously try and ask them to make it less spicy or less hot for you.
I was trying in that time, but I was also young. You know, I was thinking 19 or 20 years. But maybe when I eat now, maybe I find it okay. Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day. What is your name?
Fabienne,
From which country you are?
the Netherlands.
So you are a Dutch.
Yes, I am.
Have you tried? Have you eaten Indian food?
I think so. I'm not sure, but I think so. Yeah.
So you have tried or no? Never.
not that I can remember. Yeah.
Try sometime Indian food.
I would. Yeah, I would. I like the food of other cultures. Yeah, so I would.
Thank you. Have a nice day. What is your name?
My name is Valerie.
And from which country you are?
I'm from Suriname, but I'm living here for 35 years now.
So you are born in Suriname.
Yes. Yes.
So Suriname originally from India.
Yes, that's right.
Do you cook Indian food at home?
Yes, we make, I don't know how you call it, but we make roti.
So call it roti.
Yes, okay. And you have bara.
Yes. In Bihar we have bada.
Yes, and gugri. That's the you know the round one. Yes, and plauri.
Lorry. Okay, this I know. So you prepare at home.
Yes, we prepare it at home.
Nice. So we have a Suriname people. Suriname people are originally from India. Their forefathers came from India, originally from Bihar. Right?
That's right.
And it's good to know that you still follow Indian culture and you still eat Indian foods. That's amazing. I'm going to make a video on Suriname people.
No, so I am the first one.
Definitely.
Okay.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Yes.
अरे यार बहुत थकान हो गई है, बहुत देर हो गई है हम लोग को यहाँ पे जानदम में आए. इंडियन चाय मिल जाती तो कितना अच्छा रहता. What is your name?
Valentina.
Bonnie.
And from which country you are?
I'm from Nederland, Amsterdam.
And from which country you are?
Holland as well. Yeah.
Okay. So have you ever eaten Indian food?
Of course. Yes.
And which food, which dish you tried?
I cooked Indian food in the 80s and 90s. I learned. So my favorite is yogurt chicken. I don't know the Indian name. And in the restaurant, my favorite dish is saag paneer.
Okay. Paneer, yeah, it's saag paneer. Okay. And it's a chicken curry, I think you're talking.
It is a lamb most. What I am not so keen on chicken.
Spinach? Chicken with spinach?
Spinach and lamb. Yeah. Yeah.
Nice. And have you tried Indian food?
Yeah, but there's one favorite restaurant of us in her street where she lives, my mother. But I don't know the names. They're very difficult to remember. So I know when I see it or when I see it written, then I know like that's. And we always ask to try something new, of course.
Nice, very nice. So you both like and you have actually learned how to prepare Indian food.
Yes. Yeah. You're impressed?
Yes.
Good.
I'm very impressed.
Never been there.
Okay.
Samosa is also one of my favorites.
I'm right now hungry and I'm really missing samosa. Yes.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah.
Thank you. Have a nice day. It was nice meeting you. मैं अभी आपको ले चलती हूँ डच स्टाइल मेले में. चलो चलते हैं, बहुत मजा आएगा. यार बहुत देर हो गए, भूख लग रही है. समोसा, इडली, गरम गरम राइस एंड दाल मिल जाता तो मज़ा आ जाता. घर जाके बनाना पड़ेगा. चलो. What is your name?
Cillian.
And from which country you are?
Lebanon.
Lebanon.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Have you tried Indian food?
I tried once the curry with the basmati rice. Yeah, it was really good. I really liked it. Yeah.
Really liked it? So only once you tried?
Yeah, it was like once here in the restaurant. Yeah.
With the curry with rice.
Also, like I like the way you cook the chicken with many. Like I ordered something, but I forgot what's its name. Yeah.
Maybe it's a chicken curry.
Oh yeah, something like that. Yeah. It was good.
Do you like it?
Yeah, very much. Yeah.
Have you ever tried cooking Indian food at home?
No, never. I thought like it's because it has a lot of taste and like herbs. I thought like it's gonna be hard for me to make it. Yeah.
So you, in your country, not a lot of spices or are used?
None. No. Yeah. It's just like something like Italian food or something. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye. What is your name?
Swipe.
And from which country you are?
I'm Dutch.
Okay, you're a Dutch. So have you ever tried Indian food?
I tried it, but I think it's too spicy.
Yeah, it's too spicy.
Too spicy.
You did not like it?
Not really.
No problem. Hope you like it. Try it one more time. Maybe you like it.
Something else, maybe a little less kruiden, zeg maar.
Sure. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. What is your name?
My name is Hassan.
And what is your name?
Anan.
And from which country you are?
I'm originally from Palestine, but I live here for 5 years.
So you come here for study?
For study, exactly, yes.
And from which country you are?
Yes, it's the same. He's my brother.
Same. Oh,
He's
you
my
both
brother,
are
yes.
brothers. Oh, okay. So have you tried Indian food?
I don't think I have. 3 months ago, I have been in a restaurant, and I wanted to try the spicy food from an Indian, but I think that I picked the wrong one, so I'm not sure if I have ever tried it.
What did you try?
Well, it was noodles, but the spice was Indian, I think, so I'm not sure.
Okay.
Exactly, Indian. I think Suriname. It was Suriname sauce.
Suriname, originally they are from India, but their food is little different from India. Yes. You have not tried?
No, I think not.
Sometimes.
I would like to. If you have any suggestions.
Try samosa.
Okay, and what's that?
It's like a fried potato stuffed. So it is very tasty, and you can try it in any. You can find it in any Indian restaurant.
Okay. I would like to try it some. Yes,
Okay.
yes, of course.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hope you like it. What is your name?
Mina.
And wow, Meena. Meena is also an Indian name.
Oh, yes? Yeah. Oh, yes, it's an Afghan name. It means love in Afghan.
Wow. And from which country you are?
Afghanistan.
Oh, you're from Afghanistan. Okay.
Yes.
Nice. So you're born and brought up here?
I'm born here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So your parents are from Afghanistan?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So have you ever tried Indian food?
My parents love Indian food. I don't know, is paratha Indian? Yes. So I tried that. It's really delicious. And I would like to try more Indian food.
Okay. Biryani?
Biryani, yes, my mom loves that. Yeah.
She also cooks at home?
No, she doesn't cook at home because she doesn't know how to cook Indian food. But sometimes she goes with my dad to an Indian restaurant. So yeah.
Do you like it?
Yes, I like it. Okay. It's delicious. Yeah. Subscribe to Des In Videsh.
Okay. Do not forget to subscribe Des In Videsh. Bye bye. तो देखा आपने, इंडियन फूड पूरी दुनिया में बहुत पॉपुलर है। आपको हमारा आज का एपिसोड कैसा लगा ये आप हमें कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताइएगा, और हमें कमेंट करके ये भी बताइएगा कि आप इन फॉरेनर्स से क्या पूछना चाहते हैं। एंड डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू अवर चैनल देश इन विदेश। मिलते हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। टिल देन, बाय बाय।